We are looking at how to pronounce the new name of Port Elizabeth in South Africa. This is how the new name is spelled. How to pronounce it? This is a very specific way of pronouncing things with this very specific click sound, so I'll let this presentation from Port Elizabeth YouTube presentation of the name, I'll let him say it how it is to be said properly. Here it is.
The Democratic Alliance notes with great concern the recommendation made by the Eastern Cape Geographical Names Committee that the name of Port Elizabeth be changed to Gqeberha, 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 Gqeberha.
Did you get this? A very specific sound. It's hard to reproduce, but that's exactly how it should be said.
Gqeberha.
Did you get this? Was this any helpful? Let me know in the comments. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more names whose pronunciations aren't exactly always obvious. I'll see you there to learn more. Thanks for watching.